Good afternoon. It's about to rain in wonderful Colorado, and the chickens are all screaming at me because it's going to rain. So look at them all at the fence because they think they're going to miss something. Now is my son being funny, or at least attempting to be. See, now we're going to walk this way and the chickens will follow me. We'll walk.
No, I think they're following me. What's this? What's this? Guys, what's this?
We're going to go in and do an age check because I haven't done one today.
I'm help you. I'm gonna be your block.
See, look at that. No, they knew I was coming to the gate. See, so they all stacked up there. Watch the no get out right there. Let's see what we have for eggs. Oh, we have one down in here. Oh, we have two on this side. Oh my goodness. Look at all those eggs. 2, 4, 6, 8 there. 9, 10, 11 eggs today. I need extra hands. Babies, Mama needs extra hands or an egg carton out of the chicken. Seth, I need an egg carton out of there. Quickly, child.
Here?
Yes.
It's extremely hot in here.
There's Miss Midnight and there's Ducky.
Here you go, Mom.
And they need some. We need to get some food. Wow, this is hard to do with one usable hand when you're trying to videotape. Don't do that.
Making it harder for them to get.
Oh, there's our egg. There's our egg collection for today. A little bit of all sizes. Getting some nice, good breakfast size eggs there. Bring me their food.
Okay.
See, look at them go crazy. Sorry about a poor quality video today. I'm trying to multitask and it's just not working out for me. But please, like and subscribe and click the little bell and you'll know when I've uploaded something new. Thank you. Have a good day.